IP, so we will give here the gateway, whatever gateway we configure. You can give anything, you can give any IP, but it is already pre-configured the computer, so no need to change again. Just what they configure I can configure to the router interface. So I will keep this IP, we need to assign here F1/0. So we will go to this interface and here I will say here you will have 2.1. so this will be 2.1, and we need to enable the OSPF to this interface also. So what I will do, I will copy and paste this here, and just I will copy this interface, I will paste this here. Okay, any confusion, anything from here to here, from here to here? In this router I am enabling, I am assigning the IP address, I am enabling the OSPF, that's all. No doubts, right? So I will go, okay, I will go to the router 2, I will paste the configuration here, and after that when you check here, after some time you will have the neighborship. You will not have any problem when you write here, like you can see the state also loading to full. So when they have the similar database, they will have loading to full state. And now you can write show IP root, and you can see you are getting this root from O. O means you are learning from OSPF. And also if you want to write show IP OSPF neighbor, you can see you have this neighbor, because you are in the R1, so you are getting this R2 information. So router ID they taken this 2.2.2, so this is a neighbor, it is in full state, and BDR, neighbor is BDR, you are the DR. So you are getting information, everything is working perfectly here, no problem. Everything is working perfectly here. Now what we will do, example, we will create the problem. So if you, now we will create the problem. So first point we are saying hello timer, dead timer must be match. Whatever you configure here or whatever the default timer you have here, here also you should have same. If you don't have same, then you have the neighborship. You will not form the neighborship, you will not get the root in the routing table like this, and you will not have this in the neighbor table. So how to change? In the real world you will not change, but this is the steps you need to check if someone may be changed. So you, how you will check? You will write show IP OSPF interface. Which interface? This interface, this one is connected, F0/0, and press enter. Here F0/0, right? I wrote what? I forget to write interface. I need to write here before that one INT, interface, and press enter. And here you see this is the default timer. Hello timer is 10 seconds, dead timer is 40 seconds. Okay, this site is that one, and you can copy the same command here, and you can check here also F0/0. So go to this router and paste here also. Paste that command, just right click, it will come, and press enter, and you can see both are having the same timer, so you will not have any problem. Okay, but example, imagine someone change here. So how to change that one? Someone change here. So go to the interface which you have, then you write IP OSPF hello timer, hello interval. By default you have 10, I changed to 20. Okay, and dead timer IP OSPF dead interval, by default you have 40, I changed to 50. I changed, something changes I done. After some time you will see the neighborship will go down, they will not form the neighborship. So if you have any neighborship issue, you need to cross check, maybe someone changed the timer. Now if you check here, you have the timer here 20 and 50, before you have 10 and 40, and after some time when you write here show IP or show IP root, this root, this will go. After some time this will go, this one, this O. Now you see here it already gone, because there is a dead timer, so they will wait for till that time. After that they will say the OSPF timer is different, so that's why they cannot make the neighbor. And you check, you don't have any root here, nothing is coming from O, like before you are getting 2 roots from O, nothing here. And notification you see expire, they don't form the neighborship. So first thing you can check, maybe someone changed the timer, you can check the timer like this. You put this command and check here, you have 20 and 40. So that's why you have this issue. So how you will fix this? You will go in the interface, you will write interface F0/0. where it change, you go there and write here like IP OSPF hello time interval, and go here, write in the front no, and here what they change we can put that one. They change here 20, so I will write 20 and press enter, and then again I will write no IP OSPF dead timer dead interval, I give 50, so I will give no. Means it will remove the whatever we have. And see, when I remove this one, means when I remove this one, default one whatever you have, the old one default one, that will come. Once that come, here see neighborship found, again it move from loading to full. So now you can check, you will have the root. So this is the first step. You can see this one, you have the here, let me show you, show IP OSPF neighbor, you have neighbor and also show IP OSPF root. You can see now you are getting the root also. So this is the first point we did. Where here by here this is wrong, I change here. How to check means this command we use. I can write here to check that one, to check okay, you will use this command to check that one. Now clear, right? This one. Okay, so first one we finish. Now the second one here. This one. Yeah, this one. Yes, this one what I done here. Yes, you need to write whatever you want to remove, you need to write the thing, and in the front of that one you need to write no. Yes, this is easy in Cisco. Yeah, so when you write it will remove. So then after that it will form the neighborship, and then you have the neighbor and you check the root and everything is okay. After that what we have, the second thing we are saying here, this one, the device must be on the same subnet. What is the meaning of that one? The device must be on the same subnet means this directly connected from here to here should be in the same subnet. Means maybe you will say I will configure here 192.168.